clean, the fastest way to preserve a caulk tube nozzle is to remove excess material, clean the tip while fresh, and seal it with a well-fitted cap or stopper. Start by wiping the nozzle immediately after use with a disposable rag to remove the bead and any residue while still wet, because fresh caulk is far easier to remove than cured material. If the nozzle has a long, tapered tip cut for a specific bead size, trim only the very end cleanly so the remaining taper fits a cap. Cutting too much increases the opening and speeds curing. For squeezed out material inside the nozzle bore, push a short length of stiff wire or a wooden toothpick through from the back of the tube to clear the pathway, then wipe again. When some caulk has started to skin over, use a small rag soaked in mineral spirits for solvent-based products or warm soapy water for water-based products to soften and remove the film, but always follow the manufacturer recommendations on solvents. After cleaning, immediately fit a purpose-made plastic cap, reusable rubber stopper, or a folded piece of aluminum foil secured with masking tape over the nozzle to form an airtight seal. Store the tube upright, with the nozzle pointing up in a cool, dry place. For long storage, consider transferring remaining product into a resealable caulk cartridge kit or a squeeze bottle designed for adhesives. Common mistakes include leaving a thin film to cure inside the nozzle, which blocks future flow. Prevent this by cleaning while the caulk is still fresh and using a solvent safe for the product to remove any skin. Another issue is cutting the nozzle too large, which shortens usable life because air reaches more surface area. Fix this by trimming conservatively and matching cap size, or using an adjustable stopper to control the opening. A third problem is relying on improvised covers, like loose plastic wrap that do not seal. Use a snug plastic cap, rubber stopper, or tightly folded and taped aluminum foil to keep air out and store tubes upright for best preservation. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and community. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips like nozzle preservation and trade tricks so we can all work smarter and waste less.